2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. I'm going to show you how to remove these gaskets. So pretty much we're just going to peel back just like this. And you're going to get your hook tool, slide it right in between this seal right here. Get it all the way in there, lift up, and yank out. There's a little divot right there, so just keep pulling out. See, it gets caught right there. It's okay. Pull it out. There you go. And you're going to install it the same way you took it out. Okay, so for the back door, you're going to put the radiator pick, your hook tool right inside here and get it all the way inside, and then just lift up to release the tension on this corner. It's really tight. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Peel this back. It's going to expose your gasket. Put the radiator pick tool, same thing like we did on the front door, and just lift up, slide this out, ready for bottom loading.